In this video, we're going to be looking into a headband that helps you learn or deepen your meditation practice, and an app that allows you to see your brain waves that with practice augments your intuitive expansion. So, Muse is a headband device that interprets your brain waves and converts them into audio feedback that helps guide you in meditation. So, for instance, if you have a busy mind, the audio feedback is kind of like loud. So you hear stormy weather, and when your mind kind of calms down, the weather will quieten. And if you hear birds, it means that you're doing great. So via the 7 EEG brain sensors in the headband, the Muse monitors your mind and you literally hear in real time what your mind is doing. It's controlled via an app on your phone, and the app comes with heaps of guided meditations and gives you measurements on how your meditation went after the session is finished. So if you don't want to go to a physical meditation class, then this is probably one of the best devices you can have to learn meditation, to get feedback on how you're doing, and have access to guides and strategies to improve your meditation practice. However, Muse does not let you know your actual brainwave frequencies. To do this, you would use the actual Muse headband with an app called Mind Monitor, and it uses the ECG on the Muse to measure your brainwaves, showing you in real time what they are actually doing. Beta, you're in a normal waking awareness. Alpha, you are relaxed. Theta, you are in a deep meditation. Delta, you're in a deeply restorative meditation with expanded awareness. And Gamma, that's kind of accessing super consciousness. So you can record your session here, and when you stop the meditation, it will be emailed to your inbox, and then you can upload that PDF into the Mind Monitor website. I've uploaded 2 to give you an example. Here I was laying down awake and relaxed, and you can see it's mostly alpha. And here I was in a deep meditation, and you can see it's mostly delta. So if you're scientific minded and want to monitor your meditations via your brainwaves, then use the Muse headband with the Mind Monitor app. If you just want to learn to meditate and develop your practice, then use the Muse headband with the Muse app. Anyway, that's a brief overview of the Muse headband and the Mind Monitor app.